I gotta put gas in it. Yeah. working.
Trying to make sure the camera was on.
looks like my wheel moved a little bit. Oh, right there. I didn't get those in very far. Cool. Well, good job, man. Thanks. But all the guys appreciate having a little helper down here. Right there, that's who will probably take over this. I'm sure of it. Garrett, he really enjoys the sawmill. All right, well, I got the motor cooled down. Thanks, Garrett. Appreciate it. Bye. That little man, he definitely likes the sawmill, and it's kind of nice. At least one of them is taken to it. Gavin, he's got to be in the right mood. So yeah, we just kind of played around here. I know I was supposed to make 2-inch, but we would have cut that log up too quick with 2-inch. Sorry, I ate some pizza. It's killing me. We had pizza last night, and then we had it for, me and the kids had it for lunch. But so yeah, that pine had been sitting since end of May, maybe middle of May. So pulled this roller off last night. Had this part of the deck comes out quite easy, and was checking out, slid the roller up in there, and looks like I'm going to be able to use this style roller and then get an idler wheel for the one end with a tensioner, you know, which will sit right in this area underneath this. All right, let me pull this out of the way a minute so you guys can see. All right, so I'll get some steel and go across here, and I'm thinking have my idler wheel about right in here, or you know, wherever I can get it. And tell you the truth, I'm really gonna have to be, I can't really start anywhere here because it has to sit flat on, or no more than 1/4 inch higher than this. I don't want to lose much more cutting. So that would be even with what it's cutting off now if it was a 1/4 inch piece of steel sitting on top of the husk. And then that lines this up perfect with it coming off the blade. I could also raise my head blocks up, you know, just a pinch too, because I do actually have them really low. If you notice sometimes if I got a knot that's hanging down just a little bit, it'll hit the collar. Oh, yeah. And then I did the skip tooth last night, which, glad I did it. Wow, cutting good. I want you guys comment and tell me what you thought. If there was actually some potential there. So the lead on this is an 1/8 inch off, but this blade also has a little wobble in it. So it's kind of hard to set the lead with this blade. But I do remember when I set the lead with the 48, which spins flawlessly. I mean, there is no at all to it. And I had that lead, just, it was like a cunt hair difference, because they say the less lead you have, the faster you can cut. And, you know, a 1907 mill, believe me, I'm trying to get everything I can out of it. So, yeah. But yeah, why don't you guys drop a comment and tell me what you thought of it. I know it's been kind of cutting crappy, and that's because, wow, I had such that weird angle on those teeth. You know, sitting here all the time, was getting that funny stroke to it, to where it was leaving, the tooth was a lot thicker on this side versus that side. Can't believe I never really noticed that, because I wasn't looking at it, you know. I was just always making sure I had that nice and straight. So yeah, so I'm guessing maybe that lead is probably decent, and it's just that blade has a little bit of a wobble in it. Maybe if I really want to check it, I'll throw the 48 back on and check the lead on that. That being a really straight blade. I mean, it's really only an inch, you know, more. So, all right, everyone. I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna mosey up the house and see if the kids have trashed it, and I'll try to get a video done tomorrow. I am going over to Gene's in the morning with Jason, and we're gonna finish up that last little bit of pine. But I was gonna leave out early, and then I remember my wife and the kids go on a little camping trip with her sister just up there, just up to the tip of the mitten, not into the UP, but they go up there and they go rock hunting for a couple days, and that's just not my thing. So I should still get you guys a video out Sunday evening once I get back here. I guess I'll sees how my time goes, if I use it wisely or not. But all right, everyone, thanks for watching. Till next time.